Prayer is a powerful tool that can transform your life in remarkable ways. When you open your heart to God through prayer, you establish a direct line of communication with the divine. This connection brings His presence into your daily life, guiding and comforting you. As you pray, anxiety melts away, replaced by a deep sense of peace that surpasses all understanding. This inner tranquility becomes a source of strength, helping you navigate life's challenges with grace. Through prayer, you gain access to spiritual wisdom and divine insight. God's guidance illuminates your path, helping you make wise decisions and discern His will for your life. Prayer also brings emotional healing, allowing you to release your burdens and find comfort in God's love. As you pour out your heart, His healing touch mends wounded spirits and restores joy. Finally, consistent prayer aligns your will with God's purpose, leading to miraculous life changes. As you surrender to His plan, you'll witness transformation in every area of your life.